So let opposite person should require to talk. Let opposite person, you have to listen and understand opposite person. Show genuine interest in the opposite person. Okay, that thing must be required. What is his expectations? Give importance for that person. Protect his self-respect. Protect his dignity. So you have to create the environment that you are very important to me. If you create such a type of environment, then automatically they always going to like you like anything. Man. I told my native place people, 2 persons came. Just they thought that 10 minutes we will discuss. There is one financial transaction in there related to that. 10 minutes we will discuss. Like they came almost at 5:30 around, but they left at 9:15. 3 to 4 hours they spend the time with me. And at last while going, wow, what a memorable day, Durga. Okay, like they told. So means that we require to create genuine interest on them. Let them talk, let them speak, let them share. So that thing is very, very important also. But the problem here is we don't want to listen opposite person. We are always going to talk about ourselves only. So being husband, what your expectations? You are always talk about yourself. Being wife, you are always going to talk about yourself. No, understand opposite person. Understand his requirements. Understand his desires. Give importance for that person. Think. So see from their perspective. Every scenario. See from their perspective. Then you can understand better. Okay. Here in this total series, not only today, in the total series, don't give much importance for you. Always give very much importance for the opposite person. Okay, that's the most important.